Alright, what's up guys? So it is another beautiful Friday, which means it's time to give you another trap, snare, or hard skill that you can use, practice over the weekend, and use in survival situations. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make a bird snare out of just a few basic supplies you probably have lying around, and honestly you don't even need these supplies because this can be made out of just about anything. So let's get into it. That's what this video is going to be about, so stay tuned. Alright guys, so like I just said, today we're going to be learning how to make a bird snare out of nothing more than some string and a stick and a rock. That's pretty much it. That's all you're going to need. Now, I'm going to use a drill because it's going to make my life a lot easier, and it's going to show you how to do it a lot more effectively and simply than to use, like, hand tools. But we're going to go with what we got, and I'm going to go show you how to do this so that in a survival situation, you can do this as well. So, first, I got to get out of here. I'm in too nice of an area to be showing you how to trap stuff. There's nothing to trap around here anyway. So, let's hop on the motorcycle, let's go into the back 40, and let's go find a place where some birds are so that I can show you how to set up this snare. Alright guys, so the first thing you're going to do is you're going to take your drill and drill bit, and you're going to take a drill bit that is just about the same size as the stick you're trying to use, and that is what you're going to drill into the tree. So I've got a 1/2-inch dowel, and I've got a 1/2-inch drill bit, so that's what I'm going to use. Alright guys, so once you got the hole drilled in the tree, now what you're going to do is you're going to make sure that your dowel can lightly sit in the hole. What you're going to do then is you're just going to cut or break a probably 8-inch section of your dowel. Now what you're going to do is you're going to cut a decently long section of your string, and you're going to securely tie your rock onto your string. Alright, so I got my stone nice and on there, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to tie a real big knot about 4 to 6 inches above the stone. Now I've got hopefully you can see that, I got a nice knot there, about 6 inches above the stone. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to tie a noose, a slip knot noose, in the top of the string. So now we got a nice little slip knot there, tightens onto my finger real nice. So now what you're going to do is you're going to go to your tree with your peg and your knot, and you're simply going to feed. So whatever side you want your peg to be on, the rock is going to be on the opposite side. So I want the peg to be on your side, the camera side of the tree. So I'm simply going to feed this loop through the hole, grab it on the other side, and pull it through. So there we go. So now I've got the rock sitting on the other side and the noose on this side. So now what you're going to do, you're going to put the peg barely in the hole, and you're going to allow the knot to get pulled down by the rock, and that's what's going to secure the peg into place. So you can see it's barely sitting there. The knot is what's holding the rock into place, and the knot is also holding the peg into place. Now, and this is the beauty of this snare, all you do is you gently set your slip knot onto the peg so that it sits there. Alright, so the stone is hanging here, the string goes up through the hole on this side, comes out the hole on this side, and then right there is the knot. So that knot is being held in place by the stick. So not only is the knot holding the rock from sliding down, but it's also holding the stick from falling out. So what happens is when they go down, their feet are going to be here. Their feet are going to be here, sort of. When they land, the stick falls out, and you can see the snare's now grabbed my finger, and the stone has been released. So now there's tension on my finger. I can't pull my finger out without raising this stone. The bird is simply going to be pinned against the tree, the branch, whatever, and your stone will be dangling on the ground, and it'll be squawking, very unhappy. And I actually am having a hard time getting my hand out of here. It's cutting off the circulation of my finger. Hold on one second. That is how you build a snare. I hope you found this useful. Do this weekend. Stay tuned because I got another workout video coming out on Monday. Hit that subscribe button, hit that notifications button, and have a great day. Boop!